Welcome to Lane Credit University. My name is Conrad Layn. So how do you increase your credit score? This is pretty simple. There's many ways to do it, but I'll give you two tactics and there's many more to come. So stay tuned in Lane Credit University. One is secure credit cards. That essentially is given by credit unions and banking institutions where you give a collateralized amount like a down payment. Say you give $500 as a down payment. They put it in a basically think of it as a savings account, a certificate of deposit. So you're building your net worth while you're building your credit, right? That's a trick. And at the same time, they give you an actual credit card because it's secured by your down payment. That's a secure credit card. That's all it means. Unsecured means they give you a credit card and approve you without any funds. And secure just means it's a real credit card, but it's backed by your own funds. So if you default in payment, if you decide to get out of town and not pay them back, they'll just shut your card down and take the money from the deposit. Pretty simple as that. So secure credit cards is one way. The other way is authorized users, getting added as authorized user to maybe your dad, mom, brother, sister, family member, boyfriend, girlfriend, husband, wife, credit card, and they allow you to be added to their credit account and you inherit their good credit and their payment histories. Really a great way to start building your credit fast. Those two tactics I wanted to give you. There's many more to come. If you want to learn more and how to be approved for higher limits, how to get luxury high limit cards, how to be approved for bank loans, business loans, etc., stay tuned and subscribe to the channel and leave any comments below. If you liked the video, if you didn't like the video, let me know below and let me know where you're at in your life. Do you have good credit, bad credit, no credit? Leave it in the comments below. Subscribe to the channel. Carly out.